Separating the seeds from the stalks is an important step in agriculture. This process is called threshing. We have already taken a look at this process in our previous video. Threshing also helps in separating the husk from the inner grain. Once the husk is removed, we usually refer to it as the chaff. So far, this is what we know. So all we need to do is separate the chaff and the grains from the mixture. The chaff has been removed, no doubt, but it's still present in the mixture along with our grain. Now, hand-picking and sieving are options that we cannot even think of. So what do we do? Before understanding the process, let us take an example. When we have the peanuts along with their skin, their covering, how do we separate the two while eating them? The best and the most easy way is to blow against the peanuts. The lighter covers get blown away with the wind. That's exactly what we're going to do in winnowing. The power of the blowing wind or even the breeze helps us in the separation. But how does the process work exactly? Let's see. The farmers usually collect the mixture of grains and the chaff in a basket or a tray. This is then lifted high and the grains are very slowly released onto the ground. But how does the mixture get separated? Well, for that, we need to thank the wind. When the mixture falls onto the ground, the heavier grains go straight, but the lighter chaff gets blown away by the wind. As a result, the chaff travels to some distance before it settles down. And that separates our mixture. Interesting, isn't it? The process is very efficient. Winnowing is used since ancient times in many cultures for separating the chaffs from the grains. The grains are collected and used further while the chaff is also used. Wait, what can the chaff be used for? Isn't it a waste product? Chaff or the husk is something that humans cannot digest easily. That is the reason why it's removed. However, animals can digest it pretty well, and hence it's used as food for the cattle. Some grains mixed with the chaff and even some addition like jaggery make an excellent fodder for these farm animals. So, this was all about the separation techniques used for separating the solid substances. Next, let's look at a very interesting technique employed to separate solids which are dissolved in liquids.